The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. The true neighbor will risk his position, his prestige, and even his life for the welfare of others. Was there a time when someone was a true neighbor to you?
When you're struggling in school or getting used to the college life, everyone's there for you to support.
Things have evolved. There's been more opportunities created for everyone, not just white Americans.
Honestly, I think you would be most proud to see like us all being together, like as a whole.
Even though somebody may have a differing view than you, you treat them so well that you're always sort of a beacon of what you're going to promote. So that's what I think of.
In his letter from prison, we talked about in class the other day, and he went through some examples of different types of prejudice that his kids have had to experience. And so I think his greatest accomplishment would be creating a world where his kids wouldn't have to go through the struggles that he mentioned. And I think today there's still some of those that are still really prevalent.
That we're not there yet, so we still have like a little bit to go.
Like Rodney King, I mean, that happened so long ago, and we still have stuff almost identical to that.
Regardless of his skin color, I think it sends a good message because we're all brothers, we're all family, you know? And they're working towards a greater goal, just like we should all be working towards a greater goal on Earth together, so.
Amen, brother, I agree. All right, guys, overall, I had a blast. It was fun learning about different perspectives of students and what they think of Martin Luther King Jr. And just also, I feel like this was very constructive as they learned some as well. So let's keep this going.